Are you planning a trip to New Zealand and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for New Zealand in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for New Zealand is Maya Mobile. If you want affordable and flexible plans, Maya is a great choice. For New Zealand, the plan starts at 3GB for $8.99, valid for 10 days. If you need more data, there's 5GB for $12.59 and 10GB for $16.90, both valid for 10 days. For heavy data users, you can go for 20GB for $26.09. And if you prefer unlimited data, Maya offers that too for just $25.19 with the same 10-day validity. All plans are 5G enabled and activate instantly after purchase. There's no waiting or complicated setup involved. The website is super easy to use. You just pick your destination, choose a plan, pay, and you'll be connected in minutes. Plus, using the link in the description will automatically apply a 10% discount, so the prices I mentioned are even lower. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it'll take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type New Zealand into the destination search bar. You'll see all the plans we just talked about. Pick the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll notice the 10% discount already applied, so there's no promo code to remember. Once you complete the payment, you'll receive a QR code instantly. Open your phone, scan the code, and your eSIM will be up and running in minutes. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I would recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If longer validity is what you need, Airalo has solid plans. For New Zealand, you can get 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB at $8.50, valid for 15 days, or 3GB for $11, valid for 30 days. If you need more data, they offer 5GB for $16, 10GB for $27, and 20GB for $44, all lasting a full month. Also, the Airalo app is super easy to use. You buy a plan, receive a QR code instantly, and if you run out of data, you can just top up right in the app. Just like with Maya, the link below gives you a 10% discount automatically. You'll see the savings before you pay. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for short trips or high-speed data, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The pricing per gigabyte is lower, the speeds are great, and the setup is effortless. But if you're staying longer and prefer a full 30-day validity with modest data needs, Airalo remains a solid alternative with the convenience of easy top-ups through its app. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the plan that matches your trip, follow the quick setup steps, and you'll be connected in New Zealand in just a few minutes. No roaming fees, no SIM card juggling, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.